Hello, everyone. Welcome on Eklassa quiz challenge. Ready to test your chemistry knowledge? I'll be asking 10 multiple choice questions. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each. Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the chemical formula for water? Is it A, B, C, or D? Your 10 seconds start now. The correct answer is B, water. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Great start if you got it right. Question 2. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Think fast, 10 seconds on the clock. The correct answer is A, oxygen. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen as a byproduct. What is the pH of pure water? A, 5, B, 7, C, 9, D, 6. The correct answer is B, 7. What is the difference between a mixture and a compound? A. Mixtures can't be separated, compounds can. B. Compounds are made of combined atoms, mixtures can be separated. C. There is no difference. The correct answer is B. Compounds are made of combined atoms, mixtures can be separated. A compound, like water, is made when atoms join. Mixtures, like sand and water, can be separated. Why is chemistry important in everyday life? A. It helps us understand how things work. B. It is used only in labs. C. It's not important at all. The correct answer is A. It helps us understand how things work. Chemistry explains how food cooks, how soap cleans, and how our bodies function. What happens in a chemical reaction? A. Substances stay the same. B. Substances disappear. C. Substances combine or break to form new ones. The correct answer is C. Substances combine or break to form new ones. Chemical reactions create something new, like burning paper turning to ash and smoke. What is an element? A. A substance made of only one type of atom. B. A combination of different atoms. C. A type of gas. The correct answer is A. A substance made of only one type of atom. An element is pure and made of only one type of atom, like oxygen or gold. What is the periodic table? A. A chart of chemical elements. B. A calendar of science. C. A table of molecules. The correct answer is A. A chart of chemical elements. The periodic table organizes all the elements by their properties. What is the smallest building block of matter? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Cell. The correct answer is A. Atom. Atoms are the smallest building blocks of everything around us. Number 10. What is matter? A. Anything that has weight and takes up space. B. Things you can't see. C. Something found only in science labs. How did you score? Share your results in the comments below. Thank you for playing the Chemistry Quiz Challenge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun and educational quizzes. See you next time.